Hello everyone, I hope you guys are fine. Today we will discuss about the types of digital marketing. If you want to be a digital marketer in future, then you need to know about the types of digital marketing. So let's start. Digital marketing has always been a very important part of the business world. However, it has become more than that today. It is now one of the most important, if not the most important, parts of any business. This is why it is very important for you to have someone who has the knowledge to handle your digital marketing. To know about digital marketing more, please check the I button. There are 8 types of digital marketing. They are search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, search engine marketing, digital advertising, mobile marketing. Now we will know the details. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of improving your website content to get a higher ranking in search engines. It is important to remember that search engine optimization is not just about getting your site ranked highly, but also ensuring that the content is relevant to your audience. It is the art of making your website content more appealing to search engines without losing its appeal for your users. It is the process of making your website content more appealing to search engines without losing its appeal for your users. Pay-per-click. PPC, or pay-per-click, is a form of online advertising that costs the advertiser money each time a user clicks on their advertisement. PPC is usually used in addition to other online marketing techniques such as search engine optimization to drive more traffic to a website. Advertisers typically bid on the keywords that they want their ad to be displayed under when users are searching on search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is a form of digital marketing. Social media marketing is a way to promote your business or a product, drive traffic to your website, and generate leads. Social media marketing helps you connect with your audience, and it helps you build a community around your brand. It helps you create a relationship with your customers. You can use social media marketing to communicate with your audience, engage with your audience, and measure your audience. Email marketing. Email marketing is the most cost-effective tool in the digital marketing arsenal, particularly when used in conjunction with other digital channels. It is relatively inexpensive to develop and execute and can be very efficient in generating sales, leads, and brand awareness. Email marketing is a direct and personalized approach to the consumer and can reach a highly targeted and specific audience. Email marketing is a marketing strategy that uses email to send promotional messages to a targeted audience. The goal of email marketing is to convert the customers into a sale via direct mail. The main objective of email marketing is to deliver the company's message to customers and potential customers. Content marketing. Content marketing is the process of creating and publishing valuable content on your website and social media channels. The content could be written, video, or audio. Content marketing is a great way to build trust and authority in your industry. When you publish quality content, people will want to read what you have to say. This means more traffic to your site and more leads for your business. Search engine marketing. SEM is a type of internet marketing that involves the promotion of websites by increasing their visibility in search engine result pages, SERPs, through paid advertising. SEM uses paid advertising with AdWords or Bing Ads, among other paid search platforms, to drive traffic to a web page. SEM strategies may include paid advertising on search engines, social media, and other online media outlets. SEM is not just about search engine optimization, SEO. It is about marketing your website and promoting your brand, products, and services. SEM is a way to get your website noticed by potential customers who are actively searching for information about your products and services. Digital advertising. In order to succeed with digital advertising, you need to understand what's happening on the other side of the screen. You need to know how consumers interact with the online experience. You need to understand the psychology behind how they make decisions. You need to know how to track the effectiveness of your campaigns. And you need to know how to measure the return on investment, ROI, of your efforts. Mobile marketing. Traditional marketing costs money. You need to pay for advertising, print materials, paper, and postage. You also need to pay for staff to run campaigns, and you need to invest in IT systems to track and measure results. With mobile marketing, you can target your message to a specific group of people who are interested in what you're offering. You don't need to spend money on expensive print materials or IT systems. So, we know about the types of digital marketing today. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.